Guys, 3.3. Would you ever expect that Louis Vuitton would actually have an item for 3,300? What's up guys, my name is Lucky and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, today I'm sharing with you 10 designer items all under 12,000 that perhaps you should consider buying if you don't want to spend a good amount of money on any designer items. So previously I shared with you guys 10 bags all under 25,000 for you to kickstart your luxury collection with. So today it's just all small leather goods. It's just basically SLGs, belts, scarves, wallets that I'll be sharing with you guys. Some of these pieces, guys, are just around 3,000. Yes, not all designer items are that expensive. So I'm not going to waste time. I'm not going to ramble like I did in the last video. So I'm just quickly going to get into it because I don't want this video to be long. So we have 10 items to talk about today. Let's get right into the video. Item number 1, I have a Louis Vuitton key pouch. So this item right here, I'm going to insert all pictures. This retails for 3,900. So basically there's a key pouch. You can just clip it and attach your keys, and you can use that little pouch to throw in your cash or your coins or even your cards. Now somebody did a review on YouTube on this, cutie item, and I think they stored close to 10 cards in that little pouch, so it actually carries quite a lot. So as you can see, the price point is not bad at all. I mean, if you have a budget of only 4,000 or 4.5, or just you just want to spend under 5,000, so this is an item that perhaps you should actually consider. And you don't have to use it as a key pouch. You can literally just use it as like a mini tiny wallet and throw in all your cards and your cash. That is if you don't really carry a whole lot of cards, or if you don't carry loads of cash. So if you just want to throw in your coins for parking, or throw in just 4 of your cards, necessary cards that you actually use on a daily, this is an item that perhaps you should actually consider. And the price point, honestly guys, it's not really breaking the bank, and this can actually serve as a very good Christmas gift item, or actually a birthday gift that you can actually just gift somebody, or you can actually still just gift someone for a special occasion. Like I said, price point perfect, 3.9. So this item is under 5,000. Item number 2 is a Louis Vuitton card holder. So this obviously is different from the Louis Vuitton keychain, right? This does not have like a zipper pouch or a zipper section to it. This is simply a card holder. It has about 4 or 5 slots, so you can actually squeeze about 4 or 5 cards in there. Like I said, just essential cards that are necessary, cards that you actually use on a daily. Guys, this item retails for 3,300. So like I said, this is prices as of 2021 February. Guys, 3.3. Would you ever expect that Louis Vuitton would actually have an item for 3,300? Please do comment below and let me know. So many people just think you can never walk into Louis Vuitton, or you can never walk into Gucci or any of these, designer stores and find an item under 5,000. But you'd be surprised, because there's actually quite a couple of things that you can purchase for under 5,000. So let's get into item number 3. So item number 3 is a pocket organizer, and I'm going to basically mention 2 things here: a pocket organizer and a slender wallet. This is called a slender wallet. I see a whole lot of guys actually that use these 2 items. If you are a woman and if you're a lady and you like guys items, perhaps these are the 2 items that you can consider. But otherwise, these 2 items are suitable for guys. I'm going to insert pictures here as well, just so that you guys get to see what the items look like. So the other one, basically still you can actually just store cards, and the other one is just a mini wallet. And the price for the pocket organizer is 5,250, and the price for the slender wallet is 7,100. So if you want to gift like your loved one, like your husband or your boyfriend or your brother, the pocket organizer is a very good item. Like I said, suitable for gents, and it retails for 5,250. Another item also that is very reasonably priced. Number 4, I have toiletry pouches, all under 8K price point. These beauties here, guys, I'm loving these items. These can actually serve as mini bags, especially this one. This can work as a mini bag, and this works as like a proper handbag because you can actually store quite a lot in here. Like I throw in here Vaseline, my wallet, hand sanitizer, hand cream, my phone, keys, and there's still a whole lot of space. And you can also throw in your notebook as well if you're a sort of person who's constantly like writing things, or if you have errands to run, and that you carry a little notebook, it fits in here as well. So these are another items that I thought I should also just include as well. Like I said, they serve as mini bags. Gucci also has a toiletry pouch, but theirs is actually the Gucci one is actually a bit expensive. The last time I checked, it was just around the 11,000 price point. I will insert a picture here for you guys to see. It is quite a stunning item also that you can use not necessarily just as a toiletry pouch, but also as a handbag or just a clutch bag. So at number 4, I thought I should include like basically just these pouches because people love these sort of things, guys. Item number 5, we have designer belts. So I decided to include my favorite belt. Yes, this is a 2-in-1 belt. So you have basically the Louis Vuitton monogram if you want to, just wear it like this with the print, or otherwise you have the plain side. So Valentino also has something similar to this. You get the belts that are two-toned. The one side will be plain black and the other side would be brown, or it will be red. So they are also reversible. So this belt retails around 10K. I will put the correct prices in the description bar, guys. Like I will just go in the description bar to get the correct pricing. So the Louis Vuitton belts have different prices. So there's a thinner belt that retails for around 7K, I believe, and it's just basically, it's not a reversible. I'll insert a picture here. It's not a reversible belt. It just has a one tone, the black color. It's such a cute belt. I actually wanted a friend of mine to buy it because she's quite petite. It looks very nice on tiny people. I don't even think that it will show on me. Like it won't even stand out at all. So a belt like that retails for around 7,000, and there's other belts that go for 8.5, 9, 10. Just basically all under 11K. That's what I've seen so far, or rather what we have in South Africa. Obviously, if you go to the likes of Paris, they have more of the exotic belts, with different prints in different colors as well, not necessarily just the brown monogram canvas. So those ones would be more expensive. But so far what we have in South Africa, actually, I haven't seen anything above the 11K price point. So Valentino as well has basically the reversible belts. They come in variety of shades. You get ones that come in the black and the brown, the black and the red. There's basically variety. And the Valentino ones, guys, if it's the same size as this, the one that I've seen, the one that I want in the two-tone, the brown and black, it retails for 8.6. So it's actually cheaper than this from Louis Vuitton. So perhaps that's, another brand to consider. There's also Salvatore Ferragamo. They have beautiful bags as well. If you're a fan of Salvatore Ferragamo, check out their bags as well. Price point, not bad at all. They also have basically reversible belts as well, and then they have the just plain black, plain brown ones. And then there's also Gucci. If you are a fan of Gucci, they have reasonable belts also under 10K, 7K, 8K, 9K. Perhaps that's another brand to also consider. Item number 6, we're going back to pouches or just basically mini clutches. So I'm going to just show you guys a few from YSL. All these items here are under 12,000. Well, it depends which site you are actually buying them from. If you buy them from Farfetch, obviously the duties, the taxes will kill you. But if you get them from, the likes of Net-a-Porter, taxes are already included. So it's definitely under the 12K price point. Guys, these pouches or clutches, they can easily be converted into like a very small bag, especially this maroon one. If you can just find like a nice cheap chain strap, you attach it to the bag, to the clutch, it will look like just a nice small bag. I think this looks so beautiful. This is an item actually that I've been eyeing. I think I've just added this to my never-ending wish list. I definitely want this in this color. I think this is maroon or burgundy. This is I believe more croc or croc leather. I'm not sure what leather this is, but as you can see, like, it's very good leather, and I think it looks so beautiful. So guys, YSL, don't sleep on this brand. If you also just want to see or get a feel of the leather that they use, you can actually walk into Current 2A in Sandton or Hyde Park or V&A Waterfront. I haven't really seen them stock small leather goods. They usually just stock like bags. So if you just want to get a feel of the sort of leather that YSL, uses, then you can just, walk in store and, just try on their bags. Number 7, we have designer sneakers. And I'm specifically mentioning sneakers, and we are not talking about Louis Vuitton, because you will not find sneakers at Louis Vuitton under 12,000. You will not. But Gucci and Dolce & Gabbana and Versace, they always have sneakers around, under 10,000, 11,000. So basically you can actually find like beautiful sneakers around 8,000 or 9,000. So Gucci and D&G, guys, they have the most beautiful sneakers and they are super comfortable. I find that Louis Vuitton sneakers are generally not comfortable. Like, you have to go a size up for you to actually enjoy the fit, or to actually feel comfortable in their sneakers. Whereas Gucci and Dolce & Gabbana, generally they make like very comfortable pair of sneakers. So those are the two stores that I recommend that you should check out if you're looking to get like a pair of sneakers. And like I said, you will literally spend less than 10,000 on a nice pair of sneaker, unless if you're looking for something that's a bit over the top and you might have to spend a little bit more. Coming at number 8, we have a Louis Vuitton Kirigami pouch. So many people are sleeping on this item, guys. This is a 3-in-1. So basically you're getting these 3 pouches for a price of 1. The last time I checked, this item was retailing for 8.5, but I think now it has definitely gone up. I believe it's still though under 12K price point, but just confirm in the description bar the price that I've put there. I'm also just going to confirm with my Louis Vuitton sales associate to give me the exact price. So this is a 3-in-1 pouch. I mean, the little tiny pouch, you can actually use that to store your cards, or you can use that to store your cash. So that can actually serve as a mini wallet or a card holder. That tiny pouch, guys, carries quite a lot of cards. I've seen reviews on YouTube and people actually recommend this pouch. And then the bigger pouch, you can use that like as a clutch bag. It's not as massive obviously as the toiletry pouch 19 or 26, because this one is a bit flat. But this is a sort of item that you can actually consider, seeing that you are actually getting a 3-in-1. I think this is a good purchase, and people are sleeping on this pouch. It's always available in store because people are just not buying it. So the next time you go into Louis Vuitton, just ask for the Kirigami pouch. Get a feel of it, decide if it's something that you'd like to buy. This is a 3-in-1. You can actually even, decide to give the second pouch to your friend, your sister, or, you can actually even resell it if you just want to use the tiny little pouch as a card holder and then the bigger pouch as more of a clutch. So the middle, pouch, or the middle one, you can just decide to resell it or give it away. Coming at number 9, we have sunglasses. Guys, I feel that the cheapest thing that you're ever going to find, like anything designer, sunglasses. You can go into Sunglass Hut. They are forever having sales. Sometimes they have like, up to 60% off. So you can find like, a Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses marked down from 4,000 to 1.5 or 2,000. You can find like beautiful Prada shades, beautiful Burberry shades. Guys, there's a variety. So if you want anything designer, but then, you don't want to go into Diamond Walk, or you're not ready to spend more than 2,000 or more than 3,000, sunglasses are also a good way to just sort of like, start your luxury collection. So think of that. Let me know if you would consider buying like, designer sunglasses, or designer sunglasses something that's a bit out for you. If you're a sort of person that constantly keeps dropping things. I used to drop shades all the time, but I don't know, I've just probably just gotten older and I stopped dropping things. I'm not so clumsy like I used to. So now my shades, guys, still look very brand new. I don't drop them like I used to. So do comment below, let me know if you are a shades or sunglass person, and if you are, why don't you just go into Sunglass Hut and get yourself a nice pair of sunglasses, a Prada pair or a Burberry pair on sale. The last time I got my shades, it was Dolce & Gabbana and Burberry pair of shades. They were both under 4K. So both of them, I think the other pair was 1.5, the one pair was 2.2. So because they were on sale. So both items were on sale. Don't sleep on Sunglass Hut, guys. Coming at number 10, we have fragrances. Louis Vuitton has beautiful fragrances. Dior has beautiful fragrances. Skin cosmetics, guys, do not sleep on skin cosmetics fragrances. They have a variety of beautiful fragrances. However, Louis Vuitton fragrances, guys, you won't find anything under 4K. I haven't seen any fragrance under 4,000. I got this last year, I believe, for about 4.5 or 5.5, I don't remember, but you can actually just get yourself a nice fragrance and smell good, or go into Dior, the Dior cosmetics store. They have such beautiful, lovely fragrances. Theirs are actually slightly cheaper than the Louis Vuitton ones. I believe you can actually, depending on the mils, obviously, because depending on the size, you can also find fragrances for like 3.5 or 4.5. I'm not quite sure about the price. If you're watching this video, he works at the Dior cosmetics store in Mainland. Do comment below, what are the prices of the fragrances that you guys have in store? I just want to compare those to the Louis Vuitton ones. I haven't bought a fragrance from Dior. I should actually purchase one soon. But yeah, I want to confirm the prices from Dior cosmetic store and to the Louis Vuitton fragrances, so just prices. And guys, also there is Skins Cosmetic. Like I said, they have the most exclusive fragrances, beautiful fragrances. Guys, do not sleep on Skins Cosmetics, but obviously you're going to spend a little bit more. Some of their fragrances go for like 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, even 9,000, or even more than that. So Skins Cosmetic, guys, like they don't play, but they have the most beautiful, the most gorgeous fragrances. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Please let me know what you thought of this video. Please comment below, engage with me. So what do you think of all the items from item number 1 up until item number 10? Which one would you go for if you were to kickstart your luxury collection, but you didn't want to spend more than 12,000, or your budget was only 5,000, or your budget was only 10,000? Comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share and ask your loved ones to also subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the next one. Mwah.